The Ultimate Beagle Review, tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're thinking about adding a free friend to your home, most people get this wrong by not researching the breed first. The surprising truth about beagles is that they are friendly, curious, and energetic dogs, perfect for active families, but requiring commitment and training. First, understand their temperament. You won't believe how affectionate beagles are. They love companionship, enjoy playtime, and are great with children, making them excellent family pets. Next, consider their energy levels. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how active beagles are. They need regular exercise, walks, and mental stimulation to prevent boredom and destructive behavior. Look at health considerations. The surprising truth is that beagles are prone to certain conditions, including hip dysplasia, ear infections, and obesity. Regular vet checkups and a balanced diet are essential for a long, healthy life. Finally, explore training techniques. You won't believe how effective positive reinforcement is. Beagles respond best to consistent commands, treats, and patience. Early socialization ensures they develop into well-mannered companions. In conclusion, beagles can take you from 0 to pro in choosing the right family dog. By understanding their personality, meeting their exercise needs, monitoring health, and training consistently, you can enjoy a loving, playful, and loyal companion for years to come.